Do you feel jealous if somebody is doing well? Or can you make out that somebody else is jealous because you are doing well? Well, friends, today we will just look at how we can solve this issue, how we can defend ourselves, or how we can maintain control and peace and be happy amidst people who are jealous, amid your emotions when you are jealous. Welcome to my channel, Positivity with Geeta Iyengar. Yes, today we are going to just talk about what makes a person jealous. It's a very sad emotion. It's a set of complex emotion which a person goes through when he or she is jealous of somebody. हमने देखा है, अभी कई बार हम बोलते हैं, घर पर भी कंपेयर करते हैं. अगर इफ़ यू कंपेयर, इफ़ देर आर सिस्टर्स और ब्रदर्स, द पेरेंट्स कंपेयर एंड दे से देखो शी इज़ डूइंग सो वेल एंड लुक एट यू, why are you like this? Or when this happens in your childhood, it affects you to such an extent that you're always jealous of that elder sister or younger sister or elder brother or your uncle or your aunt. You're jealous because they are hogging the show, and then you are made to feel कि भाई you are बेकार, तुमसे तो कुछ नहीं होता है, you are useless. Now this leads to set of other emotions. Like jealousy is not just one emotion, it is a complex set of emotions like fear, एंगर. आपको डर बैठ गया है ना बचपन से, माँ बाप ने बोला देखो उसका मार्क्स इतना अच्छा और तुम्हारा देखो तुम बिल्कुल बेकार हो. So it all these things add up: anger, resentment, suppression, and you're always validating. I want attention, I want appreciation, I want love, I want somebody to recognize me. All these things have been deprived कि ये सब आपको मिला ही नहीं है. तो क्या हो जाता है जब कोई अच्छा करता है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू टॉलरेट बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ. So you want to defend. You say, no, 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 I have done, I am better. Somewhere in your mind it is there. That's why you cannot tolerate if somebody does something. कई बार ऐसे हुआ है. आज मैं बता रही हूँ कि when I was studying मुझे कुछ अवार्ड मिला. I stood first in the university. कुछ अवार्ड मिला मुझे, और मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे कहा कि तुम मेरे पेरेंट्स को मत बताना, क्योंकि वो पूछेंगे उसको मिला तुमको क्यों नहीं मिला. See, who is the responsible now? So she got jealous. उसको लगा कि इसको कैसे मिल रहा है और मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है. अभी ये क्या है? This is a very normal situation. I have got it, somebody else gets its well deserved award. But then you cannot appreciate. She was so happy for me. She was really happy, and she said, oh, very nice, wish I could also get. But she was afraid that tomorrow if her parents come to know that I have got it and she didn't get, that will create more problem. So most of the time you have to feel very sorry for those people who feel jealous, because it is their emotional turmoil what they are going through. It is a combination of different emotions right from childhood. इसी वजह से जब आप किसी को बोलते हैं कि मुझे ये सर्टिफिकेट, ये अवार्ड मिला, you can make out they're not very happy. Now how to come to know? The two things we have to understand. One is how to recognize that somebody is jealous. One of understanding backhanded compliment. बोलते अरे तुमको अवार्ड मिला, तुम फर्स्ट आ गई, कैसे मिला? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. बाबा किसने दिया, कैसे अवार्ड में? रियली यू गॉट दैट अवार्ड? Now when they say like that, you don't have to react. You can just remain quiet, because it is that exercise for you not to defend all the time. And if you feel that they are not going to improve, then it's better to keep quiet, better to limit your sharing. So many times whatever award you get, whatever good things आपका नाम आया है, अगर पेपर में आया तो आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but you have to avoid telling those people because it hurts them. And if they are going to be very rude and criticize, and they will doubt or they'll overpraise you. So, and when that happens, and if you are not able to control, the only thing you can do is remain calm. This is an exercise for you to control your emotions, control yourself, or slowly change the topic, or get away from that place and stop oversharing. Select people who will appreciate and understand your whatever merit, whatever deserved thing that you have got. Share with them. Many times we don't share with everybody because they'll feel bad. So many times we go for a trip You don't want to tell them because they say, अरे देखो इसको तो यहाँ घूमती है वहाँ घूमती है. They're not happy for you, and why do you want them to suffer more than you enjoying? Your enjoyment should not be blocked by their feeling sad. So you just keep quiet, you enjoy, you be happy and move on. This is what happens in most of the cases. Or sometimes when you are trying, I have seen, when you try to say, you know, I did this, I got this award, I went there, वो क्या करते हैं, immediately they will change the topic. वो लोग, they don't want people to know that you have got it. They'll say, yes, yes, you know, but somebody else has got. They'll change the topic so beautifully because they cannot tolerate you getting or you hogging the show. So you should not feel bad. Yes, they are exposing themselves. You have to feel sad for them. And let me tell you, jealousy is part of us because we are all the time striving to survive. I want the world to look at me. I want people to praise me. I don't want to look down. People should not look down upon me. That is your main thing. That's why you can't tolerate somebody getting the praise, somebody getting an award and so on. So when एक बात है, अगर आपका नाम हो गया है, then you control yourself. Don't get affected. Exit that conversation. कहीं और चले जाओ. फिर से उनको कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Again, if you feel, another thing is, agar you are feeling jealous, then it's a deep self-awareness. Why am I feeling like this? Work on yourself. It's very important because the person who is jealous is killing himself every second. It's not a good sign of progress. You're regressing. Why should you do that? It's an imaginary feeling that one is doing well, this one is doing. Your parents may be responsible for comparing. Your teacher may be responsible for this. There are so many people who are responsible for giving this emotion or feeding this emotion of jealousy in you. So the only way you can, if you feel jealous, work on it because you are only going to suffer. Other person को तो award मिलेगा, certificate मिलेगा, वो खुश रहेगा, उसका नाम बनेगा. लेकिन आपकी ज़िंदगी, आपका क्या होगा? So you understand, why am I feeling bad when somebody is happy? Why am I feeling bad when somebody goes on a trip? She's enjoying, when she's buying new clothes, she's going here, she's doing this, somebody praises her. Why are you feeling bad? Look at yourself. Handle your fear, your anger, your resentment, your childhood traumas. You handle. Nobody else can handle it. Agar it has gone over the limit, then you have to go to a counselor. But otherwise, you should handle it. Look at yourself and say, I should work. If I have to be happy, I should be able to be happy with others' happiness. If I have to laugh, if I have to look beautiful within, I have to understand and appreciate others' beauty. Unless I do that, that jealous or jealousy or envy which you nurture in you will kill you and like a slow poison, which is very sad. So friends, let's look at this. Let's control our emotions, especially if somebody is happy. Let us be magnanimous. Let us be generous in appreciating it. And also we appreciate ourselves. Understand and validate yourself. Whatever I am good. I'll improve. Let me not put a yardstick and compare. She has got 99 and I got 98. No, this is not a rat race. It is a race for yourself. You try to compare with yourself. You say, yesterday I was like this. Tomorrow I will be better. That's enough. And once we do that, tomorrow whoever Chand pe bhi jayega, so you will be happy for them. Why do you have to change the topic? You don't have to become a victim of your own emotion called jealousy. So friends, understand, look at yourself, spend some 2 minutes, 5 minutes in a day to find out whether you really are a victim of this emotion called jealousy. And then if you overcome it, I'm telling you, you'll be the happiest person on earth. Thank you friends for listening to me. Think of any incidents in your life where you have done well and somebody was jealous, or look at yourself and see whether you are a jealous person and improve yourself. You'll be so happy and you'll be a wonderful person and you'll be proud of yourself that you have controlled and overpowered this emotion called jealousy. Bye till then. Take care. See you next time.